Hey guys, so today I'm working on these transformers here, and pretty much what I'm doing is I'm having to come back and torque these lugs right here down to the correct torque specs, and I'm also having to re-tighten these bolts that are holding the lugs on here. I wanted to kind of highlight a couple tools that I'm using to do this. The first thing I'm using is my Klein Tools ratcheting wrench set. I really love this ratcheting wrench set. These things work super smooth, and they're made by a good brand, Klein Tools. I love this brand. I love their tools. I especially love these ratcheting wrenches. So I'll just pop that on the back of that lug right there, and I can get to tightening. They're nice and smooth. So there'll be a link for that in the description. The other thing that I'm using is this Klein flip socket bit, and this is not the original flip socket bit. This one is longer, I believe 1.5 inches longer, and it has 2 more sizes on it. So the one I've got right here goes all the way up to 3/4 of an inch and skips no sizes down to 1/4 of an inch. So I really love this too. It is magnetic. So for anybody in the trades, I've got multiple sizes. Right there is a 3/8 head directly next to a 9/16. There's another 3/8 head. These are 9/16, these bolts right here. So I can pack this one tool, and I have 8 different sizes on this one tool. So again, there'll be links in the description where you can get these. And I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you all enjoy these tips and tricks and how-to videos. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out all our favorite tools and a bunch of how-to videos and tool deals from any stores that you would like to see. Have a great day.